Welcome back to the Baby Chick channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today we are going to be unboxing Unilove On the GO 3-in-1 stroller. This is known to be a good option for a travel stroller. It's really compact and small, but I figured we should unbox it together and see what it's really like and test it out. Let's do it.
This box was so much lighter than other strollers I've unboxed, so I was curious to check it out. Inside, I found the bumper bar, canopy, stroller frame, a toddler seat, and the wheels. This stroller only weighs 15.9 pounds fully assembled, so it's no wonder families are choosing this as a travel stroller. I also found the instruction manuals in the box. Assembling the stroller is super simple and takes no time at all. I clipped in the wheels on the frame, then clipped on the seat. It's seriously that easy. I then played with the handlebar a bit and then slid on the bumper bar to the toddler seat. As for the canopy, this also slides onto the back of the toddler seat. You can easily slide this on or off if you want to have it, and it folds out and compactly together when you don't need to use it. And then I put on the footrest. It just clips onto the frame. There you have it. It might be one of the simplest strollers to assemble. But let's take a closer look so now you can see exactly what I did. To extend the handlebar, just press this button and pull outward. To adjust the height of the bar, press together these two buttons and select the height position that you prefer. There are 3 different positions to choose from. The toddler seat just clips into place, which is great. And if you decide you want your child to face you, pull out these 2 silver levers on the bottom and press the bottom of the seat up. This took me a second to figure out, but once I got it, it was easy. Then clip back in the seat, whichever position you prefer. This Unilove stroller does recline. Press the 2 gray buttons in the back and recline the seat. Press the same 2 gray buttons to move the seat back up in the upright position. And here's a closer look at how to slide on the canopy onto the back of the toddler seat. It's lightweight and a good size canopy for being so compact. The bumper bar slides in from the front to the back, so just find that groove and slide in. Do this on both sides to secure the bumper bar into place. You can also press the gray buttons on the sides to adjust the height of the bumper bar, which is so cool. When you want to remove the bumper bar so your child can easily get in and out, press the 2 gray buttons on the side and slide the bar off. As for the seat, it does have a 5-point harness with adjustable straps that you can rethread to the height of your child's needs. I also love that this has a mesh seat for better breathability. Now to take a look at the seat parent facing. Again, just lift up and click into the rear facing position so your child can face you. You can also easily move the footrest from the front of the frame to the back to support your little one's feet, which I also love. Just press down and in to secure. This stroller has a 1-pedal brake. Press down with your foot to lock and pull up from underneath with your foot to unlock that brake. For being such a small stroller, this actually has a decent little underbasket. I'd be able to fit my diaper bag under here for sure. Then testing the maneuverability, it's extremely smooth and easy to maneuver. I definitely give it a thumbs up. Now to fold the stroller. I adjust the bumper bar down and fold away the canopy. Then I fold the seat all the way down and push down the handlebar frame as well. To collapse the stroller, you'll need to pull the handle behind the seat while pressing together the 2 buttons on the handlebar. It will fold together and it can stand on its own. And there you go. To unfold it, pull apart the bottom of the frame and pull up the seat and bumper bar upright. Then you're going to pull up the handlebar into position, and there you have it. Let us know your thoughts on this Unilove On the GO 3-in-1 stroller, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.